The effects that a COVID-19 vaccine could have on breastfeeding moms. That's what the InfantRisk Center at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center is aiming to find out. KAMR Local 4's Jason Britch spoke with them about what results revealed from their recent survey.
There was a lack of information, and we hoped to be able to give it to them.
Dr. Caitlin Crutch, a researcher with the InfantRisk Center at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center, on why they conducted a survey regarding the effects of COVID-19 vaccines on breastfeeding moms.
We only had the survey up for about 6 weeks, and we had about 6,000 responses, so it was a phenomenal response.
Dr. Crutch says the study revealed that breastfeeding moms had very similar symptoms to the vaccine compared to moms who were not breastfeeding.
But the big question that moms have are a little bit less clinical and a little bit more practical. So what they wanted to know is, what is it going to do to my baby? If I get this COVID vaccine, is anything going to, is there going to be any harm? And so what we found out for that question is that about 93% of those moms said that their babies had no side effects, no symptoms at all from their vaccination.
Dr. Crutch says moms that did report some sort of symptom were found to be mild.
Things like their child was sleepier than normal or a little bit more fussy, but really we didn't find anything that was overly concerning.
And with everything new moms are experiencing, Dr. Crutch says they hope this survey provides them with some peace of mind.
We're trying to do the best that we can to support them to make the best decisions that they can, and it's hard to do that without any information, so we will give them whatever we're able.
In Amarillo, Jason Britch, KAMR Local 4 News.
Dr. Crutch says they weren't able to tell if the reported symptoms were due to the vaccine itself or if the mom was feeling sick because of the vaccine. So they can't say what caused those symptoms in the 7% who reported them. If you'd like to see the full results of that survey, our website is myhighplains.com, where we have a link posted for you.